All right, what's up, Broke Ass Nation? I'm behind the camera for about the first time here, but this is the home shop. As you can see, we got our Mustang up here on the jack stands. Went ahead, I got the block off the machine shop for the engine we're building. We'll do a breakdown video of that here soon. But, like I told you guys before when we picked this thing up, the transmission is absolutely cooked in the thing. So, we're going to go ahead and replace our 185,000 mile transmission with this beautiful green 235,000 mile transmission. This thing is sitting in a local junkyard. Looks like it's parked by a lake, but they had it for a good deal, so we went ahead and picked it up. Like we kind of mentioned to you guys before, we're going to see if we can do some testing videos with that V6 while it's still in there. Got a couple ideas lined up, but we're going to go ahead and see if we can get this transmission swapped out here, and hopefully it'll have a few more forward gears than we have now. All right, quick update here. Got drive shaft out, exhaust is out, working up here, and went to take out the dipstick tube, and the thing was already disconnected. As we can see, the thing's barely in there down here. We got to looking, half the bell housing bolts are already missing. So the guy, he said he replaced this transmission. They drove the thing for 200 miles. The thing quit on him. That's why he sold it. So I think the guy did a half-assed job, which saves us some work, but kind of starting to see why this thing fucking cooked on him. No idea what went out on it, but poor workmanship is a pretty good guess. Yep. And we have no extensions. We'll slide off the right back. That's not careful. Slide off. It's not a big deal. It's just be something to the other transmission. How the east. You're not going to. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. But try to. It's fine. Please return to the east. Right.
Washington doesn't tip.
Big leak.
Oh God! Sorry, Ben.
Let it down all the way. Fast you can. Alright, hold that jack and I'll just yank it off there. A little heavy.
Well, it's easier to deadlift than it is to fucking.
Yeah. Well, it's easier to do when you're outside of it.
Right.
Alright, got the old one out of here. Bit of a mess, but about halfway there. So I went ahead and popped the converter off this thing to make sure it wasn't dry. Good thing I did, because it is nothing in there. Looks like this thing's got a brand new pump on it. And I call that a frickin' win, so hope we're in a little bit better shape than we were. Alright, a little more of an update. Got the new transmission in there. We went ahead and popped the pan off. I wanted to go ahead and change the fluid and filter. At least give this thing somewhat of a chance. But not looking too bad in here. Fluid looks like you'd expect, but nothing too terribly alarming. So we'll get this filter swapped out, top her off of fluid, and we'll be testing her out here shortly. All right, we got her back on the ground here. Transmission is in it. Fluids are all topped off. Getting ready to go on our first test drive here, hopefully. Had to air up the tires. I didn't realize we had such fancy tires. We got the 4CMs on the back here. And up front, we got nothing but the best Ling Long Crosswaves. Nothing but the best for the fucking race car here. But getting ready to go for our first test drive here. Hopefully everything goes well. If you can tell by my voice, it's been a long task here, but we're getting ready to go and hopefully this thing frickin' moves. Saw some little rattling where we wired it up there.
What you're about to witness is some very dark footage of two very tired men who obviously have no idea what to talk about. So, enjoy.
Exhaust is looking pretty good over there.
It's pretty toasty.
I magically do not have a check engine light on. Not a single light on the dash. Just waiting for our exhaust to frickin' fly off this bitch. Man, high beams work? Holy shit. Dude, I cannot believe it.
It's driving down the road. The green transmission.
That frickin'
The lake transmission.
Lake transmission fucking came out of old Greg's frickin' storage.
I got lots of things.
Oh, there's
So go
overdrive.
speed limit. Look at
God
that.
damn.
Golly. So
Fire.
Jingling back
That
there.
was a little, yeah. That might have been our exhaust hanger.
Hopefully it doesn't end up in my neighbor's living room. I got about a mile down the road.
You better park this thing back in the shop. You can't park it outside.
I am an insured person.
Hope it's got brakes. Oh yeah, it's got.
Got
Oh
some of them.
golly, it does have brakes.
You know what?
See, we could have drove to the gas station.
There we go. It's stuck here.
We still
Dude, let's
can't.
just freaking go on a road trip.
Wait, where do you want to go? You want to go to fucking Michigan?
Might as well just bring it back to them.
Go back to the guy. I don't want to
Start a charity channel. They buy their broken cars and just bring it, fix it, and bring it back. I do it all
Look,
so
I
I
can't
get
even-
20 views.
I can't even fix my own shit. I'm not fixing their shit.
Show you where to look
This is some
great.
really good footage I am receiving here. This is fantastic.
Is it really?
It looks like some fucking what's that scary? The haunted movies.
Scary Movie 4?
No, the. God damn it! There are like 3 or 4 of them in a row. They're all terrible. They're really bad.
Scream?
No, they're like Paranormal Activity. This is like that video quality right
That is
here.
the movie. It's the...
That's Paranormal Activity.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's the shitty movies.
It's getting louder.
No, I think you're just getting a little heavier footed.
Maybe I'm getting
It might be getting louder. It might be separating a little bit more.
That might be something I want to...
One of those nuts might have gave up the ghost. I don't know.
That's an easy thing to fix. Dude, we're driving
We're driving down the road. We're going the speed limit. It's shifting really good. It's
What?
driving really good.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for a deer to come out.
We need to know if this can do a burnout. Fresh used green transmission. Will it do a burnout?
Yeah.
That's test number 1.
Right now.
Let's maybe get closer to the house just in case. I don't know. That's just me.
Where's your sense of adventure?
It's back at your house. It's actually fucking driving really good.
Hey, it's nice. It doesn't even shake or nothing.
No,
The bling long's right nice.
the ling longs are great. I love your ling longs, man. They're fantastic.
I can't see.
No.
Oh, we can see if that's the...
No, I think that's just. Ooh.
Hope I don't launch a
What the
rat out there.
Yeah, like what's? I don't know, man. I like the sounds coming out of this thing. I don't know if I appreciate that. I don't know, but I think this was a success.
You know what?
We're driving down the road. We're stopping, kinda. A little bumpy, but it's working.
It'll be alright.
Ooh, what am I focusing on? Oh, the reflection. Okay.
Should we give her a little...
If you want to give her the beans,
Give her
man.
a little...
A little taste of what's to come. Oh, let's go!
It does burn out.
It doesn't burn out. Test them. Ooh. Oh, it smells like a burnout too. Golly.
That's the smell of them force fumes, brother.
Forciums smell terrible, I gotta say. That's just a frustration
It was just a
fix.
frustration
Yes.
thing after working on this thing for 7 hours.
Who would have thought that the thing that gave us the most trouble was an exhaust flange?
Just going back on.
Yes.
It was like,
The last thing to put back on the car was the most frustration out of anything.
I forgot where I live. I'm fucking just driving now.
I mean, hey, we can just take off, man. Look, I don't got nowhere to be. It's a nice car, nice night. Just taking off. We don't got much gas to go, but
Yeah. Sounds like a fucking airplane. Like Amelia Earhart.
we're just going around the world, man. That's it. Trying to cross the ocean in a Mustang with a green transmission.
Yeah.
Fucker works though. It's working good.
Fucking rack tape. Couple exhaust rattles.
Yeah, but hey, it didn't drive before tonight.
To be expected.
The car couldn't drive. I'll take a couple exhaust rattles as long as the car goes down the road, and it drives really good.
It does.
Transmission's not slipping or nothing. I'm honestly impressed.
We're gonna pop a UE. This diff is open, so I'm sure it's not gonna be a...
Okay. Hey, kind of try to, yeah.
Somebody needs to build that diff.
Professional drivers on a closed course, everybody.
This thing drives really
There's
good.
there's a cruise work.
Ugh, I don't know how to operate this thing.
Should be like the upper left button. Turn
Ooh.
on, and then you
Okay.
set it, and then set. Oh, the cruise works,
This thing is a rugged
brother.
road trip vehicle.
Let's go. Who would have thought, man?
I'm fucking down for this thing. Let's fill it up. We're driving this bitch around.
Let's go, man. Where we going? Who do you want to go visit? See if Andrew's awake.
Abraham Lincoln.
Hey, bring him Link. I think he's dead. I don't think he wants to see this car.
That's what they want you to think.
Okay, that's fair.
Why do they keep updating his picture on the penny?
So
You notice the penny looks a little bit different? It's
got
because it's
a
an
point.
updated picture.
You got a point, I guess. I don't know.
All right, the thing moves. Doing all right, so first we'll break in real quick with a little burnout here, hopefully.
It's a good start to a race car.
Just need to get that diff welded up and
Oh, yeah.
box fixed. Along the line of 1,000 other things we haven't do yet.
Hey, first thing was getting to drive, and it's driving.
Yeah, man. Thing runs and drives, dude. I'm happy. This thing, all right. For how long? I don't know.
I mean, hey, might be able to torture test it. Might be able to get some good fun out of it.
We'll have a little fun with this thing.
At least you can do burnouts and forwards now, not just reverse.
Exactly. Add some forceps to the air.
Alrighty, Ben, what do you think?
I think it was a success. Oh! Well, besides park as reverse. Oh, God.
That was a little
No.
scary.
It does need a shift linkage, but it doesn't really need a shift linkage. It works. So e-brake, leave that so it's locked up and now just drags the whole time. But I'm happy. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm fucking really tired. Drew, he doesn't want to show himself, but he is big help. Definitely could not have done it without him. So got a couple surprises coming for you guys here to future next couple weeks here. We'll have a little fun with this thing. But till then, stay off them jack stands and stay broke, folks.
On behalf of all of us here at Broke Ass Motorsports Ohio, we'd like to thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed our video, please let us know by leaving a like or comment on our video. If you're new and would like to stay up to date on things, please subscribe or follow us on our social medias. The links to those will be in the description down below.